Welcome back, dear friends. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create the drawing using all three coordinate system. Already we are discussed about the different coordinate systems. So in this video I go to draw this drawing using relative coordinate system, polar coordinate system and also absolute coordinate system. So you know very well, in the first point in any coordinate system we give absolute coordinate system values only. So I give 0, 0 and point number 2. So this is our point number 2. So point number 2, the x-axis value is, I know, I give 50. Then y-axis value was 0. Then point number 3, this is 45 degree inclined and also I know only 45 degree angle and then 30 mm length. So I don't know the x-axis and y-axis value. So what I did, what I going to do, I'm going to do use @ symbol. Then the distance is 30, less than symbol, the angle is 45 degree. Okay, so that here I go to give the less than symbol and 45 degree. Okay, and fourth one. So now I go to give @ I know the height was 30 and then less than symbol, the angle was 90. Next point number 5. So I give @ the distance 30, then the angle value was 180. So next point number 6. So it's coming down as 20 mm. So @ 20 less than symbol, that's 270. Okay, so next point number 7, @ the distance was 20, then the angle was 90. Again @ so now the same. So angle we want to calculate. Here giving the 45 degree, even though we want to calculate the angle. So first I give the distance and less than symbol. So angle, see, so this is 270. So starting from here, so here to here we want to know. So 270 minus 45, we get this full angle. Yes, you are right. So this is for 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree. So this is 270 degree. So 270 minus 45. So this is our value. So 270 minus 45 means 225 degree. So now we get this line, point number 9. So next point number 60 coming down, point number 80. Here we did some mistake. So this is not 90. Here the point number 7, 20, 180. Then point number 8, 30, the angle was 90. And point number 9, again @ the value was 30 and less than symbol, the angle is 225. Point number 10. So just 40, we have two options. One, we give @ symbol 40 and less than point angle 270. Otherwise just you type C and enter. Okay, again we go to start from 0, 0 or directly we go start from this point. Okay, so this point we know x-axis value is 20 and then y-axis value was 0. Okay, so point number 12, @ the distance is 20 and the y-axis value, here we give the angle, so 90. Point number 13, just you connect point number 13 is enough. So this is the last point. So @ the distance 20, less than symbol, the angle is 180. So here, see, here we mixed the absolute method, this also absolute method, these are polar method, here we using the C and again using the absolute method. So here we have using all type of inputs. We open the AutoCAD and we check how the drawing is come. So today onwards we go to use the software AutoCAD version 2023. So already we upload the videos. What is the difference between 2022 version and 2023 version? So mostly 99% of tools and functions is same, not a big different. Very few, especially 8 or 9 point only difference between the two softwares. So the method is same. You can use AutoCAD 2020 version also, no issue, because 2022, 2023 or 2019 most of the tools was same only, so you don't worry about that. So now we go to create our drawing. So first I go to paste the table here, then I go to click the line command, then we go to start give the value. So first value is 0, 0, then the next value was 50, 0, then point number 3 at the rate 30 less than symbol 45, and point number 4 at the rate 30 less than 90 at the rate 30 less than point number degree 180, and again point number 6 at the rate the value was 20 and the angle is 270 is coming down. So next point at the rate 20 angle was 180. Again now we want to go upside. So at the rate 30 angle was 90. Next at the rate 30 the angle is 225 is coming inclined. Next I press C and enter. So before giving the enter, just I adjust the screen. So see, now I go to press C, now I go to enter. See, it's automatically joined in the starting point. So next again I go to line at the rate. So because now only the starting point, so we cannot giving at the rate symbol. So now directly we enter the value 20, 0. Okay. So now at the rate 20 less than symbol 90. So this is the last point at the rate 20 less than symbol 180. Enter, and again I want to give enter. So this is our required drawing. I think now you understand how we go to use these three different coordinate system in our drawing. So this one not using regularly, but rarely we are using, even though this is very important because this is the basic of AutoCAD software, and also some critical places we can use for this type of methods. Okay, so absolute, relative and polar methods. So please be prepared for these three methods. After that we have another one method that is called direct input method. We can use the mouse and create the points. Okay, so next video onwards we go to check how to use the direct input method using the mouse. Even though you want to develop your basic skills, these three coordinate systems. Okay, we will see you soon in next video.